Okay, so we just finished drawing our front view, and now it's time to draw the side view. I want at least 2 inches between the two views. That way we have room to put our dimensions here, but I don't want it really close to this edge if I can help it, because I'm going to have to do a couple dimensions on the outside. So what I'm doing right here is I am measuring 2 inches from this circle, doing a tiny little mark, and with my 5H pencil, I'm going to draw a construction line. Okay, this line right here is going to be this line right here. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to transfer all the height information over. Okay, so this one, it looks like it's going to be a lot of work, but really we've done the work, and all I have to do is transfer it. So with very light construction weight lines, you're going to not only do the edges of the circles, but don't forget you need the center points as well. This hidden line, do not miss transferring the hidden line. The hidden line creates this back piece right here. So it's critical that you have that. This makes for thrilling video, doesn't it? It's actually kind of relaxing when you get into the rhythm. Oops, I almost missed a line. That would have been bad and confusing. Okay, so with really light lines, I've transferred over all the height information. There's a ton of lines here, but you just got to keep track of things, okay? And they're so light that once I start drawing my object lines, they're going to just kind of fade into the background. Okay, so next thing, I'm going to start taking some of my depth measurements. Let's see here. I might actually put in an object line right now. That seems like the best move for me. Okay, I am going to start with this line right here. Okay, and it's going to continue down to this bottom one here. Okay, so finding my starting and stopping points. And yes, I do tend to make some dots, but I also make sure that they're not giant dots. I don't want to see you playing connect the dots. That's just, it's not a very lovely practice. So there's my first object line. Now I'm going to take this measurement and remember, you got to double it. So you take that measurement, walk your dividers, and it goes up until the next level. So I'm going to draw that. Okay. Okay. So I just got that piece there. Now I'm going to be careful when I'm getting the radius of this, just because it's important that I don't have that too big or too small. So I'm going to go back to my construction weight lines just to put in a few more measurements left and right. So the distance between here and here. Okay. So that's going to be 1, 2. Okay. And then the distance between these two lines. Probably easier to do it when you have a horizontal line right there for you. Okay. 1, 2. And 1, 2. Okay. Whew. So I've got some of my major boundaries put up. So I'm going to darken in some of my object lines. Okay. At this point, I know I haven't shown you a whole bunch here, but I'm going to stop the camera. I'm going to finish drawing this, but I'm going to make it a section view, so I'll probably make another video. I know you get a lot of videos for this one, showing you, reminding you the dimension lines and how I turned it into that. So give me a few minutes and I will be back with this view almost completely done.